Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tech Hub. Today in this session, I am going to show you how to create an account in Amazon Web Services. Let's go and get started. Before creating AWS account, you must need a valid email account and a phone number. It required to verify your AWS account. Okay, let's start the session. Open the web browser and go to the AWS homepage using the URL aws.amazon.com. Then navigate to top right corner and click Create an AWS account. Here, you need to enter your account information such as email address, password, and the account name. Password must meet the AWS password policy. Be sure that your account information correctly, especially your email address. If you enter your email address incorrectly, you won't be able to access your account. Then click Continue to next step. Here you need to select the account type and enter the contact details. Here I am selecting account type as personal. Personal account and the professional account have the same feature and functions. Then fill the contact details field. Also read and accept the AWS customer agreement. Then choose Create account and continue. Next step for the AWS payment information. Here, you need to provide your card details. As part of card verification process, AWS will charge small amount from your card. This amount will be refunded after your card has been validated. Then click Verify and Add. After complete the payment process, you must verify your phone number here. Then complete the fields and click Contact Me. The AWS automated system will contact you with a verification code. Do what the automated system says. After complete the verification, the web page refreshes to the Select Support Plan page. Choose one of the available support plan. Here I am select the basic plan for the demo purpose. This is the registration confirmation page. Here you can personalize your experience by selecting the role and interested area. Also you can skip it by click the Signed into the console button. Here, I am selecting the role and interested area from the drop-down arrow. Then click Submit. You are successfully created the AWS account. Now you can sign into the AWS console using the email ID and password. This is the AWS signed in page. Select root user and enter the email ID here. Then click Next. Here, enter the password and click Next. This is the AWS Management Console. These are the services available in the AWS. I am clicking one of the service EC2. This has happened because of your AWS account is not yet activated. To activate your AWS account, need to check the mail sent by the AWS when the account creation time. Let's go and check the mail. I get 2 mail from the AWS. Let's open the mail. Then click Access Account link to activate and access your AWS account. Now your account is activated. Now check the EC2 service once again. Done. This session is over. See you in next video.